Trubor Nagaslem Jong Nongsan Hima.
Ka Nephington Laloo Memorial Secondary School kabadan hakashnong wa yajer hadin ka jing shakri ka bakhat prasnam bansami ka jingnang jing start shaki khana hauni usnam kala Kiew Kyrdan ka secondary school shaka higher secondary school ya ureban ka jing sedang jong ka Nephington Laloo Memorial Higher Secondary School lakhap da ka district school education officer West Chanta Hills District ka kong APCM hakashpo tarik jemang hakjingnan lang wa assistant wa heshnong wa yajer uba el shala kinong hikai ki khana school ki kmi ki kpa nalor ki wei hakajia lang kabala panya de chairman uba W lingdo ya ka school la seng ha usnam shajar khandai spa phraphunyo ha ka Kyrdan lower primary school par ha usnam shajar khandai spa khandai phunrio shaka upper primary school ha usnam arhaja henrio kala Kiew shaka Kyrdan secondary school bar ha usnam arhaja arpusau kala yo ek jingkantio Kyrdan shaka higher secondary school nalor kata ek Kyrdan secondary la ithu da katanat education house nam arja khatsan kidan hadu atpoi ngut kinong hikai hadu class nursery hadu class 10 but art spa lai pusan ngut ki khana kanthop shispa ar ki khana shanrang but shispa lai phulai ki khana kan thei.
Nephington Memorial School will be the first ever school in YAJR to inaugurate the higher secondary school. So I would like to congratulate all the members of the SMC, all the teachers, the students, the parents, and also the village for having an insight and a vision to inaugurate and to set up the higher secondary school here in YAJR. So a very heartiest congratulations to all who are involved in making this vision of yours, of the institution, to carry out and to impart education to the students, to the children of this village and the nearby villages, and to impart a sound and moral education, because nowadays we don't only need academics. We have so many spheres in education where it will be incorporated later on when the state of Meghalaya will adopt the NEP. As of now, we are on the preparatory stages of NEP. So I hope that the members of the SMC, the village members who are a part of running the school, is aware of these steps that will be taken later on.
As a lower primary, and in the years of 1996 was presented to the upper primary school, and in the years of 2006 was again upgraded to the secondary school, and this year 2024 to the level of the higher secondary. The secondary section level has been recognized by the Education Department in the years of 2015 via the letter number DSEOR 27/2015 dated 39/2015, and also has been granted regular affiliation with the Meghalaya Board of School Education.